Hi guys, this is the first video on my channel and I need to make like a lot of these things, okay? So I watched a few videos on YouTube how to change this guy into a stand like this, and I think we can do this much quicker, quick and dirty. I think that should be done in 5 or 10 minutes. This is exactly the time I have to do this because I have a job to be done, okay? So let's see if we can get this in a few minutes together to make us a nice jig. So what I have is this, and if you have a belt grinder that you normally can clamp like this, let me see it in the camera, yeah, you can clamp down like this, then this should work for you. So yeah, let's have a smoke and start this quick and dirty build. Ready to go. So what we need is just to put this guy here, measure, say whatever, 15 centimeters here, there. That should be good. And I use scrap stuff that's flying around. Put one of those guys here behind. It's actually all. Just screw this in and then maybe put something here or here or here to fix it a bit, and that should actually be enough. So, a few bolts in there, just in case. See that? I don't know. Maybe it's out of cam. I'm making some holes. Okay. Nice and flush. That actually should be enough. Just let's test this. I have to clamp this guy here. Okay, there's my wire. Let's clamp this guy here somehow. Just there. Actually, this should work somehow. And maybe I should put in something here or here, just to this, no, just to hold it in place. Those flying around. really difficult object. Two screws, I think that's better. Yeah. So this is still kind of parallel. Oh, where did I throw this? Here we are. Same shit. So difficult, complex. I knew this sucks. This came a bit out of line here, but we'll see. Yeah, that's perfect. To me, that's perfect. Let's see, let's clamp this here. Okay, it's not too much. Okay, now that's maybe not completely straight, but so far this is perfect. Just perfect. And this should work. So we are done. I hope so. When you do the same thing, make sure that those guys where the air comes in are free. In my case, they are free. Okay, so my cigarette's still burning. Let's plug this guy in. And now you have two options. In my case, okay. Okay, now I can fix this here. Funny thing, I have like this food switch. Cable food switch, there we go. What you could do, make a hole here to be able to change the belt more easily. But for me, to get my things done, this is okay. So, if you're looking for the cheapest and quickest way to get this done, that's it. And yeah, by the way, if you want to support my channel, don't buy at Amazon, buy at your local dealer. If he's not a fascist or racist or Nazi, okay? Cheers. So while working today with this jig, I had this little gap here, and I used, I don't know if you can see that, this little sheet of thin plywood to get a bit higher, and yeah, at least I glued it to the whole jig. So add 3 minutes to the whole time. It works great. Okay? Perfect.